I want to tell you about the two main types of income that you can earn online from your home just using your laptop. The first is the quick, what I call easy but not always easy, sort of cash. And you could use this money to pay off debts, pay off a car loan, buy a holiday, or use as spending money for the holiday, whatever you want. But it's quick cash. And this could be buying stuff from thrift stores, garage sales, or items you already have in the home and listing them on eBay, flipping them on eBay and getting quick, relatively easy money. With the eBay, you can always make a long-term business out of that. You know, if you regularly go into thrift stores and garage sales, you learn to know what to look for, and then you can sort of make a regular income. The other types of work for the quick cash would be on sites like Upwork and Fiverr, where you provide a service. You're basically swapping your time for money and you're getting paid quickly. And this could be things like editing videos, editing photographs, transcription services where people send you an audio file and you type it out, writing articles. And again, these are good for the quick money. And if you've got a particular skill in an area, and these are a great way to use your skill and your time to earn money. But again, the important thing is here, you're swapping your time for money, and you've only got a limited amount of time, so there'll only be a maximum amount of money that you can possibly earn from these sites. But it's great for the quick sort of money. And the second type is my favourite type of online income, and that's a more long-term sustainable income that you get from building a business. Now, as I said earlier, you can take something like eBay and create a long-term business. That's one idea. The other is to build your own site, create a course, sell it on that website, create an email list on that website, so you can create a newsletter or regular articles, attract customers to your site and sell whatever you've got to offer, whether it's a course or some sort of a product. It could even be a physical product that you import from China. Now, this method obviously means you've got to get customers to your site. So you build a whole marketing plan around your website, and this could be social media, buying adverts, putting articles on different sites like LinkedIn, and getting that traffic to your website to see your product, to see what you've got to sell. If you've got a hobby, a skill, again, you can use this to produce a course or an idea for a course. The other types are of these more long-term businesses that you can do at home, which are pretty common, is using the leverage, the power of big websites already established like Amazon. And so you can sell items on Amazon, you could sell used books, you could sell items that you import from China in particular, you could even sell items that you make yourself. And also one of the other more common ways of producing income, and this is one of my sources of income, and that's writing books and publishing online, or creating notebooks, or what they call low content books. These are things like training logs, financial stationery like accounting logs, ledgers, and also it includes things like planners and diaries. And these are relatively easy to produce. You can publish them on Amazon quite easily, and of course Amazon has a huge reach to millions and millions of people, so you can get eyeballs onto your products and make sales. Another idea, particularly if you're a craftsperson, is to build a store on places like Etsy where you can sell your items. And another common way to earn long-term income and create a business online is by creating merch. And what do I mean by merch? Things like t-shirts, hats, mugs, calendars. And Amazon has its own platform called Merch by Amazon that allows you to create hoodies, t-shirts, vests with your own designs on the front, and you can sell these and Amazon pays you a royalty for each item that's sold. So you're not actually creating anything physical, these are all digital products. So that's just an idea of the two main types of online income you can earn. Now obviously there's an overlap between the short-term income and the long-term income. You can build the short-term income models into long-term income models. There's lots of different things you can do, and you can use the short-term income to provide the base, the foundation of a long-term business, sort of what they call seed money, where you're putting money to build a more long-term profitable business. And the amount from these ventures you can make is variable, from an extra $10, $20, $30 a week up to tens of thousands of dollars a week, depending on what business model you choose, how much work you put into it, and how consistent you are with the work. All these models, particularly long-term ones, require quite a bit of commitment and a lot of hard work, but the rewards can be substantial. So that's it for now. That's just to give you an idea of the two types of different income you can earn using your laptop from home. Until the next time, goodbye.